Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my hair. So you saw my initial review of the Ishow official hair, but I did go ahead and make a unit. So it has the free part closure and 3 bundles of loose wave hair. It's Brazilian. So I've been wearing this hair for a little bit over a month now. It's not too bad. Of course it does tangle at the nape, but which hair doesn't? I mean, that happens frequently. So it does tangle a bit at the back, but it doesn't knot up too much throughout. It's not too bad. And I just put in some curls with my flat iron, and it will hold a curl, I wouldn't say a full week, maybe about 5 days, and then it'll start to drop. But that's okay. I mean, once you curl it with a curling wand or what have you, you can't even notice. So I'll just show you. The curls are really pretty, and I love the luster too. Would I recommend it? For now, yes.
Try to write something different.